Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our Jeep Grand Wagoneer. What a cool truck. Got a couple-inch lift kit on it to give it a little bit of muscle. Great paint. This paint on it is laid on excellent. It looks great shine on it, not a lot of imperfections. Looks like they might have put new wood on it. So just a really nice restoration. Interior pretty much all looks original, but in good condition. And about everything works on it. As you've seen my running video, we got to put a couple wipers on it. But very nice shape. Doors shut good. The only thing I noticed is some of the windows are a little slow. Typical with old power window motors, but like I said, very nice. Got the burgundy paint, as you can see, my reflection right there, just a great shine on it. So, and not a lot of issues. About the only thing I seen, original bumper on it, got a few little scratches there. But on the paint, I don't even see any rock chips or anything, so I don't think it's a, oh, right there you got a little bit of cracking right there. But that's about it. You hardly can see a flaw in it. So a really cool Jeep. You'll definitely be noticed when you pull up to the country club. 605-695-7391.